Spending hours designing Instagram carousels? Stop. ChatGPT 5.5 can do it for you in minutes. Here's how. Let's get started. First, go to Instagram and find a popular carousel done by a creator. Today, I will go with this one. As you can see, it's about Elon Musk. What I do first is tap the More Options button and copy the link. Then go to Google and type Download Instagram Carousel. I use the IQ Save site, but you can use any similar site. Paste the copied link into the site, and it will give you all the slides of that carousel. Let's wait for a moment. As you can see, the carousel slides are ready. Now we need to download these slides one by one. I have downloaded 8 slides in total. Then go to ChatGPT and open the Instagram Carousel Redesign chat that I use for recreating carousels. Next, attach all the downloaded slides to this chat as a new message. I will select the first slide as a single attempt first, so that the slides don't get confused, and then you can add the other slides. All 8 slides are now uploading. Apart from these 8 slides, we need one more slide as the 9th slide, to tell viewers to comment a specific word to get more AI updates or AI news. I handle that through the prompt. After attaching the slides, I need to upload our Digifix logo since I'm recreating this into our Digifix branding. So I need to attach our logo. For the last slide, I need one of our CEO's photos. I'm attaching a few options so ChatGPT can pick the best one. After that, I use my master prompt, the one I use for all carousel recreations, but I make a few adjustments each time. First, I paste the whole prompt. This is from a previous link. Today, I'm creating a new one. I copy the new link, go to ChatGPT, and replace the old link with the new one. Then, according to the number of slides, I adjust the prompt accordingly. We are expecting 9 slides as output, including the last slide. So I replace all the relevant numbers with 9. I'm adjusting the prompt to my preferences. You can do it your own way. For the last slide, I've selected one of the CEO photos and updated that in the prompt. If you need this prompt, I will share it. Just comment Digifix below and I'll send it to you. Now everything looks good. I've removed the instructions that were specific to the previous carousel, updated the slide count to 9, and replaced unnecessary lines with use Elon Musk and Sam Altman photos as you like. All the things are set. We need to wait a moment since this is a thinking model. Make sure to select the Create Image model, then send the prompt. Our slides are now ready. As you can see, ChatGPT 5.5 is really impressive. It delivers very high-quality outputs. I asked it to recreate the carousel using Digifix branding, and it has applied our brand colors perfectly. It has done a fantastic job. I really love these slides. ChatGPT 5.5 is just incredible. If you haven't started using it yet, I highly recommend you start today. You can even use it to create completely fresh carousels, not just recreate existing ones. As you can see, this is the last slide. I asked it to include the wording, comment Digifix, and we will send you more insights like that. It has designed it in a very beautiful way. I absolutely love it. All slides are ready in the 4:5 format. Now let's download them. You can download all the slides at once in one go. The slides are downloading now. Let's open the Downloads folder. As you can see, each image is around 2 megabytes, which means these are high-quality files. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're ready to start creating your own branded carousels using ChatGPT 5.5. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.